Me buying a pair of Ultra Boost in 2019, I actually didn't see that happening. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Bape times Adidas Ultra Boost. So if you didn't know and you've been sleeping under a rock, the Super Bowl happened and pretty good game, low scoring game but pretty good game. But to go with the whole Super Bowl theme, Bape and Adidas teamed up to do a whole collection. There was apparel, there was cleats, there was helmets, there was hoodies, tights, and there was sneakers. And I mainly cared about the hoodie, to be honest, but the sneakers always interest me as well. Bape Camo is just dope. If you see my theme, not my theme, but a lot of the stuff that I rock on Instagram, I've got camo trousers, camo jackets, I've got hella camo jackets. I just love camo stuff, and Bape Camo does it the best. I actually don't have any Bape hoodies or anything like that, so I was hoping to cop one of those, but I took a massive L as expected. But I did win a pair of the shoes, so let's get to that. So these shoes come in a black box. On the top it's all unbranded. On the side you see Adidas and a bathing ape. And what's the info on the front? It says Ultra Boost Bape, and I got these in a UK 11. Sizing wise, in Ultra Boost generally I wear a UK 10.5, but for this raffle they only had full sizes. I'm sure maybe on the website or maybe some other sites they did half sizes, but I was only able to go in full sizes, so I rather went up than go down and it be snug. A lot of my 10.5s that I have, I generally take it at the insole, so I'm hoping that if there's any space at all, it won't be that much, but won't know until I try them on. So open up the box, you do get some pretty cool paper. It's got obviously the Bape Camo, the pattern of it, like the same that you see on this dope jacket that I'm wearing right now. And underneath all that is the sneakers. So these came in two different colorways, the sort of more greeny, yellow and green Bape Camo colorway, and more of a dark color colorway. I went for the lighter one. It's the colorway that pops more and one that I really liked, and boom. Here is the sneaker in all its glory, and I must say it's actually pretty fire. As I said, Ultra Boost wasn't a shoe that I expected to cop. When they released the 1.0s, I always wanted a pair of 1.0s because, like most people, I was sleeping when they first came out, but the price point put me off. Then I copped these, which cost even more than those did, but is Bape, so I expected it. But let's get some close-ups. Shoes kind of fire. So first of all, the striking thing obviously is the camo. It is done in this dope Bape Camo all over, pretty much a one-piece knit. You can see the bathing ape itself here, just here on the toe box, or whatever you call a toe box. The knit itself is stretchy. It is not as stretchy as the 3.0s. I've only got 2.0s and 3.0s. The 4s and 5s I've taken a miss on. I'm just not bothered with them. So I'm not sure how the knit is like these days, if it's stiffer or loose, but I know on the 3.0s it was super loose. On the 2.0s it wasn't as loose, and this feels maybe a bit closer to the 2.0, or maybe possibly a little bit stiffer than that, but that is a good thing. The whole super loose thing is good if it's a bit snug, but if it's not, you kind of see your toes a bit too much, so it can be a bit annoying. The cage on here, it's got white stripes. They look like they're a weird texture, so I don't know if it's painted on or something like that, so which could be a bad thing. It could chip away, but also it might actually look doper if it is black. So if it's black underneath, I'll celebrate that, but if it chips off in an ugly fashion, that's not going to be good. But yeah, it's got your standard Ultra Boost cage in black with the white free stripes. Towards the back of the shoe, this plastic heel TPU counter, it's in black with Ultra Boost written in gold. Is it all gold? Yes, it's all gold on that. Other side, same again. Back heel of the shoe just got a little seam where the Ultra Boost knit sort of meshes. Middle side of the shoe, pretty much the same again. Nothing extra to shout about. That same free stripes on the TPU cage. Lace wise, I believe they only come with one set of laces. I don't think any Ultra Boost have come with anything else, but it's a standard sort of black lace. On the tips though, it does say a bathing ape, so at least that's a nice little touch. On the tongue, It's got Adidas it's got Adidas with the old school equipment sort of logo in gold. And inside the shoe, very dope, Bathing Ape camo on the insole with Adidas written there again. Boom, sole of the shoe is all black with the white boost sticking through, and it's got a gold little bit here for the torsion system. And as you can see, of course, it's sitting on a lovely chunk of black boost. If you know, boost obviously is generally painted and underneath is the white. If you saw my recent review for the TFL ZX500RM, exact same thing again, black boost, but underneath it's really white. I've only got another pair of black boosts and I've not worn them enough to see if this can scratch and rub out and it reveals white underneath. I don't know, but hopefully it can be easily painted over if it is an issue. And I believe that is it with the sneaker. I'm gonna check the other pair. Oh, I nearly missed out on this. How could I miss out on this? So on the tongue of the second pair, it's got the Bathing Ape logo in like sort of USA colors, which is a very dope touch. I was thinking there's got to be a super Bathing Ape sort of part on the shoe, and on the insole as well. How could I have nearly missed that? Yeah, so on the insole of the shoe as well, he's got the Bathing Ape with the USA camo, with the USA flag on it, should I say, not camo. And that's the same thing that you find on the apparels or the hoodie. It's got a dope Bathing Ape logo with the USA flag on it. Very dope indeed. Anywho, gonna chuck these on feet, show you what they're like, see if the sizing actually works out for me. Hopefully it does. There you go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Bape times Adidas Ultra Boost on feet. What did you think? I think they look pretty dope. I was semi not sold on them before I copped. I was like, I like them, but it's like Ultra Boost. Am I still an Ultra Boost guy? But yeah, these are fire, and I'm very happy to have copped. Definitely not worth the price, but nothing to do with the quality of it, anything like that. It's just Ultra Boost should never retail for what these retailed for. It's kind of silly. It's kind of retailing for what a resale price I would assume would be for something like this, but it is what it is. With Bape and stuff like that, they bend us over a barrel and just got to take it or leave it kind of thing. If you don't want it, don't pick it up. But I think I've only got I've got 4 pairs of Ultra Boost. I used to have 5, which was the core black and 2.0s. I used to rock that to work all the time. Super comfortable, and the other pairs that I've got now, I wear them here and there. But Boost is just a super comfortable sneaker, and this is definitely a standout piece. As I said, I love camo as it is, so why not add some more camo to the list? And sizing wise, as I said, these didn't come in half size from where I got them from, so I went half a size up technically. And to be honest, they fit pretty much the same as my 10.5. So I tried on 10.5 just now in the 2.0 and the 3.0. And it's not that much difference, to be honest, especially when I leave the insole in compared to the other one. My toe is where I would expect it to be, so can't be mad. 10.5 probably would have been fine, but not enough for me to bother looking for a trade or anything like that. Okay, I'm just going to stick with this sneaker right here. But yeah, end of the review. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe and all that sort of stuff. And follow me on Instagram, @ashbrashsneakers. Dope pictures every single time, and my Twitter is perfection7. All the details down below for any info you might need. Always get questions, and all the questions are either in the video or down below, so either watch the video or check the comments or check the description of this video. It might have the answer that you're looking for, but that doesn't stop me from asking questions, so ask away if you have anything specific that I haven't covered. But yeah, end the video. I'm out. Radio.